So this video covers how to install AUX on a 2005 Range Rover L322. It's the one that has this radio. Let me turn that on. It's the touchscreen type. So for the past 2 years I've been using this FM transmitter. When I first got it I thought it was okay, but then slowly realised that I wasn't getting the true sound quality out the car, because it just sounded so tinny. It wasn't very deep bass either, and you did get a lot of static with it. And upgraded the door card speakers because they was sounding very tinny and like flat. I installed some focal ones like these. So the next option was this. I bought a gap tool, IID tool, and this is for Land Rover, Range Rover, and it's for programming, clearing faults, air suspension. It pretty much does everything, and it's been locked to your car. The retail for about £300 to £500 depending where you're getting it from. Definitely worth getting if you're a Range Rover owner. So with the gap tool I was able to program the AUX function on the radio. So if you went into car config, click audio, and basically you need to change the AUX input to fitted, because it used to say not fitted, and then you get this screen which says AUX now, but it won't work till you actually wire it into the back of the radio. So next I went to a scrapyard and bought this loom, which is a loom off a radio module from a 2004 car. It's basically, you're after this plug because I wanted to use the pins. The pins look like these. So you basically need to de-pin the connector and use the pin for this RCA cable I made in this picture. And basically connect these ends onto that RCA cable. Then on the back of the radio module behind the screen is the middle plug. It looks like this, and you basically want to wire it in this diagram. Red at the bottom, white, and then your earth, which goes into pin 6. And then you want to snap the red connector back onto it and plug it in. Next I connected my Bluetooth adapter by JL Audio. It's basically a Bluetooth adapter that you wire into a 12-volt circuit, and it gives you basically like an amplifier, and that connects to the RCAs on the back of the stereo that you've just wired in. Then basically what you need to do is power up the car and click AUX, and then you'll have connected a Bluetooth adapter and you'll have AUX in your Range Rover, and it'll sound a whole lot better than the stupid FM transmitters. I absolutely hate them things now. The sound quality is totally unbelievable. So thank you for watching my video, guys, and if you need any help, just write a comment in the comment section. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.